All right, we made it back out today. Got my son with me today. Trying to take advantage of this daylight. We're back out. This is the closest spot for us to go to. It's short notice. I'm sure you guys recognize this place. This is from the same place we was at the last video. And we'll give it a shot and see if we can find anything. We got both our brutes. He's got the little double-sided, and man, this thing sticks to everything. I got the 360, so we're going to try and see if we can find a little something. Water went down some, thankfully, but let's see what we got. This is where we was at, was roughly this spot right here, and hook that piece of railroad track. So if we can hook it today, we'll definitely be able to get it, since I got my son with me and truck back out of the shop, so we was able to bring the big cart with us. So if we find anything big, it won't be an issue this time. That current's still going pretty good though. Just lifting the magnet up off the ground. I don't think I hit anything. Nope. You hit anything yet? Nothing yet. Let's try underneath. See if we can get her swinging. Underneath is where we usually find this last couple of bits, and well, it feels like it's got something. Oh man, hopefully it ain't that I hope it's on something pretty good. Hopefully it ain't a snag. Uh-oh. Came loose, thank goodness. Thought I was gonna lose my magnet there for a second. Yeah, these things cost too much to be losing them. Oh, we got it. Kind of looks like a railroad spike. Up and over. Yep, sure enough. Just a little guy too. I'll stick it over there by the cart. Alrighty, let's give her a throw. Try out to the left. Dang. Here we go. Alright. Must be rocks. Thought I had something. Oh, maybe. Yeah, I think we might have hooked something. What in the world is that? You got something? Hang on, let me get this up here real quick. I might need your help. For such a little piece of whatever this is, it sure does have some weight.
I don't know, just literally, I thought I was looking at her rocking on the track, so I got all quiet. When I okay.
Nah, it's just like a, oh, you know, I can't tell. But it looks like a big square, and see how it looks like round right here? Yeah. Looks like a big square nut. It's either a big square nut or just a random chunk, but that is a heavy little sucker. All right, see what you got. Is it coming up?
It's bad. Feel the weight of this bad.
No, go ahead, keep coming. What in the world is that? Almost looks like a is it a piece of pipe or a bar? It almost looks like a piece of pipe. You know, it looks like it's hollow in the center.
Yeah.
How you gonna get it over that railing? Huh? Yeah. Man, that dude is heavy.
How am I gonna get it over?
I don't know. Let me drop down through here and see if I can grab a hold of it.
Yeah, that's probably the best idea.
Now this is a trick.
Oh, that's something big.
Ah.
Oh,
This is why I don't edit, man. Everybody gets to see all the bloopers. Come on. Here we go. So I'm saying, man, it's a hard drop getting it down between these railings. There we go. See all that dirt fall out of it? Alright. My magnet needs to be on it flat. It's got the, it's on the side. See how it's sliding up? Come on.
If you can, I can't. If you can, god dang it, I don't know.
Here, let me get it up here. See if you can,
Oh my god.
Oh no!
It has to be right there, bro. Yeah, it's
Is the problem. Oh, I think I might have landed right on it.
Did you?
Landed on something. Yep.
Oh, that's perfect.
Dang, that thing is huge, man.
I swear, it did not look that big whenever we was pulling it up.
How in the heck?
Dude, no wonder why it's so freaking heavy.
We'll have to get it to turn somehow to come up out of there. Holy crap. You got your magnet stuck?
Yeah.
That sucks. I was going to have you try to get a hold of the end. Hey, okay, it's turning. Oh, now it can stop turning. Whew! That is a heavy piece of pipe. Come on. There we go. Can you grab it? Whew! My God! That thing's got to be 4 foot long. Whew! It's a little bit of a workout, man.
Sure.
Oh yeah, it's still pretty thick. You can see where the rust, you know, where it's been down there forever, but
Big boy.
rocks all stuck to it. Man, that's got to be 4 foot.
Maybe we got some ore. It's just...
Is that rocks? Alright, we're back. GoPro battery went dead. But we did move down from down there. I moved this away and Junior moved on down that way. So
I got it.
you get it loose? Alright. Thought he had it stuck real bad on the bridge. Thinking, oh great, because we don't have much longer. It's starting to get a little dark. Overcast. But we're going to try out this way some. This way on this one, and he's going to try the other way and see if we can actually find something cool. Got it tangled on my foot. Actually pretty nice out. 60, low 60 degrees. Overcast. Supposed to storm like crazy tomorrow though. That kind of ruined our plans for magnet fishing tomorrow. Yeah, it must have been a rock. Shame. Oh no, it is that. I don't know what that is. We found something. Yeah. So I was telling you, man, if you're not catching anything, try this side over here. It's like a big bolt. Yeah, it's a big old bolt. Yeah, try this side. I just been throwing in different spots. Cool. Take it. That was luck because the rope got tangled on my leg when I threw it out there. Heave ho. During the summer, you can see the bottom all through here, and the water's down to normal. Makes it nice, especially off to the left of me. It's where, if you watch some of the other videos from this place over the last summer, the water clears up. You could actually see the one section of railroad track we caught. You could see setting out there underneath the water. The kids got a hold of it. Yep, I don't think we got anything on that one. Yep, whole lot of nothing. Yeah, whole lot of nothing. That big section of railroad tracks down in here somewhere. Maybe. Might have something, I can't tell. This is where a lot of those big rocks are at. Oh yeah, I think it felt like it latched onto something. Oh, it's metal. Something big there. You can feel it smack, but thankfully it came off because whatever it is wasn't budging. What in the world is that, man?
What is it?
I have no idea. Would you have a rock? Was it hit a rock?
Bro, is that an axe?
I don't know what it is. So hard to tell from up here because it's so far away. What in the heck? If I can get it swinging enough to get that up over it. Come on. Yep, there we go. That's where this. Oh. You got a hold of it?
Yeah.
You get a hold of it and I slide the magnet up. Oh. What in the heck? What's your fingers here? Oh, there we go. Now that's kind of odd.
Walking cane.
Yeah, walking cane for a short person.
What could it be?
I have no idea. Well, that's weird. You can see oh, I thought they were holes, but it's just some kind of indentation on the ends. I have no idea, man. No clue. It's a first for me. I've caught a lot of weird stuff out here, but nothing like that. All right, retrieval time. Oh yeah. There we go. There you go. We're about down to like 1%. This thing's getting ready to shut off, but here's what he just got. Get those rocks off of. All right, here we go. I forgot about having the camcorder with this, but I don't have the tripod, but he tossed it out a couple more times and he's got something.
Oh god, it's barely on there.
Well, actually, this I can actually zoom in with. I don't know how to work at GoPro very well. You get it?
Yeah.
It's like it's barely on there. You have to get it to twist, man.
For real.
What? Oh. You know what that is?
I don't.
Guess.
It looks like one of those things you wash clothes with.
Oh man, see if you can get this magnet to come off. Oh, there it goes. That, I think is part of an old griddle, I think. That's what it looks like with this. With the ribs, a couple handles, and hits that thing on it. It's rusty as crap. Old Mountain, I think. Yeah, Old Mountain. But I'm pretty sure it's what it is. Alright, since we realized we had the camcorder with us, we can show you what all we found real quick. And in case anybody wants to fast forward to the end, we got that steel bar. That's a old rusted out piece of pipe. Here's the big pipe my son found. I'm telling you, that thing, that's got to be 4.5 foot easy. The thing's super heavy. And I think there's a, yeah, just about walk right past it. Little railroad spike there. That's an old one. And a piece of twisted iron. That bolt. This thing, I think it's one of them old griddle things, but it don't look like it's been down there as long as this other stuff has. Have to look the name up on it, but it's all rusty, but it don't look as like it's from old vintage like this rail bridge. But I think that's it. We're gonna pack it up. Oh, and this thing. I forgot all about this thing. And whatever in the world that is. And so that's not too bad for getting out after work and hitting it. But thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. We'll catch you at the next one.